guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Threads box. I have been getting these boxes for a long time. I've done several reviews. I have boxes over here that you may have seen. It is a comic book and t-shirt subscription. Sometimes the books are really awesome, like hardcover graphic novels. Sometimes it's just a couple of comics. You just never know, and it's always fun. When you sign up, it's like $13.99, probably shipping, don't remember. But then you can tell them if you want a men's shirt or a women's shirt and what size you want. So let's open this one and see what's in it. The Thing. All right. Well, that's fun. The shirts are always a different cut too. Like this one is much wider, more relaxed fit. Oh my gosh, this is actually really cool. You know, I've never seen The Thing. I should watch it. Okay, let's see, what books do we have? What is this? Beyond, in theaters, Real D 3D and IMAX 3D, July 22nd. Oh, that's Star Trek. Okay, cool. Oh, and a Star Trek graphic novel. See, hardcover. I actually have a bunch of these on my shelf over here. Well, awesome. This is cool. I love that I'm getting all of these books. Like I have, you know, getting the full series. I think that's so cool. I filmed my Threads box yesterday, and then today I got a new one, so I thought I would just shove this in there and open this really quickly. Oh, another Star Trek. Another one in the series. Oh, this one looks fun. This is like old school Star Trek. Look at that. That's funny. That's fun, right? Okay, and oh, what is this? Game of Thrones magnets? Yeah, House Sigil magnet set. Oh, this is actually really cool. And I love magnets. Let's see. Isn't that cool? What fun. I love Game of Thrones. Cool, and then for the shirt, by the way, I'm wearing my Thing shirt. Transformers. Oh, this is actually really cool. Check this out. Oh, I like this. You know what? Let's try this one on. Okay, look at that. I like the loose fit of it. It feels super comfy, the kind of thing that I could like wear with jeans for a more casual look or just like sleep in it because it's really soft. Actually, this is like really soft. I really like this one. I mean, they're all decent quality, some of them better than others, some of the fit I like better than others, but yeah, this might be a new sleeping shirt for me, honestly. Anyway, I got a new box, I thought I'd throw it in there. Okay, back to what I was saying before. I was just reading Suicide Squad. I've been on a Harley Quinn kick lately. So, you know, I love this. I think that it is a really fun subscription. It's not too expensive. It would make a great gift for somebody you know, or it would just be a fun thing to get for yourself. I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!